Where to live for $500. The 2026 exit strategy, tactical packing, the Executor's kit. In today's deep dive, we expose why relying on motivation is the primary reason people fail to reach their goals. We break down the biological unreliability of feeling like doing the work and provide the blueprint for building systems of discipline that function regardless of your mood. When you are relocating for a $500 a month survival reset, what you carry determines how fast you rebuild. We break down the zero-failure packing list for the 2026 Proactive Executor. We explore the transition from 2025's clutter culture to 2026's systemic mobility. This video provides the technical breakdown of how to remove the human element of feeling attached to your belongings, ensuring that your utility scales while your footprint shrinks. Learn what hardware is non-negotiable for a digital comeback. Welcome to Wealth 2026. You have chosen your $500 a month zone. Now you must pack. In the 2026 economy, your physical belongings are either a tool or a tax. If it doesn't help you generate revenue, protect your health, or maintain your mobility, it is an anchor. To rebuild from the floor, you must adopt the Executor's kit, a hardware-first approach to survival. Most people fail here because they pack for their past life. They carry sentimental weight that slows their transition. The Proactive Executor packs for their future machine. This is the machine-like grind applied to your possessions. Remove the feeling of attachment and replacing it with the efficiency of a modular system. Your kit is divided into 3 critical modules: the revenue engine, the biological shield, and the operational base. First, the revenue engine. This is non-negotiable. You need a high-performance laptop with a ruggedized chassis, a secondary portable monitor for multitasking, and a high-gain Wi-Fi antenna or mobile hotspot. In 2026, your connection is your oxygen. You pack 2 20,000 mAh power banks and a portable solar panel. You don't wait for reliable grid power. You carry your own. Second, the biological shield. You need a 100-liter water filtration system and a compact, high-calorie cook set. You pack a modular sleep system rated for the climate of your target zone, whether that's a high-altitude Ozark winter or a tropical Veracruz humidity. You pack 30 days of high-quality multivitamins and essential medication. You don't wait to feel healthy. You engineer your maintenance. Third, the operational base. This is your clothing and utility. You pack 5 sets of high-durability, moisture-wicking synthetics. No fashion, only function. You need a multi-tool, a high-lumen tactical flashlight, and a physical hard copy archive, a waterproof folder containing your passport, birth certificates, and offline recovery keys for your digital assets. Let's look at case study number 1, the mobile family. They didn't try to move a furniture truck. They sold everything except what fit on their SUV. They focused on dual-purpose gear, camping equipment that doubled as their home interior. By mid-2026, their pack-out time was under 30 minutes. They achieved physical wealth because they weren't slaves to their stuff. Now look at case study number 2, the single executor. They moved to El Salvador with a single 45-liter rucksack. Inside was their entire revenue engine and 3 days of clothes. They spent 0 time settling in and 8 hours on day 1 plugging in. They didn't feel like they were missing home. They felt like they were a self-contained unit. For the average person, the packing list is a filter. If you can't carry it, you don't need it. This is the transition from 2025's consumerism to 2026's systemic mobility. Once your kit is packed, you are no longer a victim of circumstance. You are a mobile operator. You have your roof for $500, you have your gear, and now you are ready to restart the grind. Make sure you are subscribed. The machine is moving. Welcome to Wealth 2026.